Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited to show you all the Jujubee Be Sassy and the Whimsical watercolor print. Now this little bag I was very lucky to get from a dear friend of mine. Haven't really been a fan of the Be Sassy before because I found it quite heavy. But today I did use this one as my own personal mum bag just for myself. And I really enjoyed it. So I wanted to share with you guys how I have packed it up just for me, and what I think about the bag and how I found using it. So the Be Sassy is a style that I believe is no longer made by Jujubee. They're not making any more of these. I'm not sure why, because it is one of the most popular styles when they do releases, especially in the adult looking prints, especially with Whimsical Watercolour. It was very difficult to get a hold of one of these, and I actually have paired it today with the strap that I got from my Be Sporty in the same print, and it worked really well. So there are a couple of different ways you can carry the Be Sassy. You can carry it with these nice rolled tote handles that do sit on your shoulder quite well. They are rolled. They aren't real squishy. They're a little hard, but I'm sure with time they'll squish down. Or you can attach a messenger strap to little D-rings here. And this is how I wore it today. I actually wore it crossbody most of the time when I was out and about, and it was actually really comfortable. So I was surprised with that, to be honest, because the last time I tried this, which was as a diaper bag, it was just super heavy and it wasn't comfortable at all, but it was really good today. So this bag doesn't actually come with the messenger strap. You do have to add that on yourself, but this particular print does have the rose gold hardware. This is a beautiful, it reminds me of a painting kind of print, and at first when I saw it I wasn't that enthusiastic, but as time went by it grew on me and I really do like it. So with the Be Sassy, it is basically a smaller version of the Be Classy, which I believe is no longer made either. So I'm not sure what's happening with Jujubee. They must have a new kind of design in the works. So there's a mummy pocket at the front here that's like a miniature version of the Be Classy. And in here, it does fold down, and you do have this kind of grey lining, really light grey lining. And in here I just have my iPhone X. You do have a little pocket here, which I don't have anything in. It's a zip pocket. There's a key leash that I actually don't have my keys on. The only thing I have in here was my phone. Every now and pop it in and out of there. And my small set piece in olive rose, which has my lipstick and lip gloss and lip products in there. There are some little pockets. Now these are not bottle pockets. These are felt lined pockets. And in one side I actually have my Top Fox sunglasses. I just wanted to show that's a great place to put your sunnies. They do fit really well in there. On the other side I just actually put in my keys, because I don't like putting them in the front pocket, especially if my phone is in there as well. Back here you do actually have a kind of a slip pocket with a zipper, so that's very roomy. You can fit a size 5 nappy back there, toddler nappy, if you wanted to put a disposable nappy in there if you're going out with your toddler. And then there is another felt light pocket here that is designed for your phone, I suppose. I don't like pockets on the back of bags for phones, so I just find it pointless, but it does fit the iPhone X perfectly in there. And the rest of the things are inside the bag here. There is a very long zipper here, and I just like to tuck that tag in there when I've got the bag closed, but it does allow you to get in here. And I don't have much in here, I'll be honest. So that's what the bag looks like internally with the different pockets. You have a zip pocket here. This is actually a feels slightly insulated bottle pocket, and you have 2 mesh pockets. So in the center I have my Lily Jade blush wallet, which I think looks beautiful with this. I actually switched out just to use with this one. And then in this zip pocket I have a little coin purse with my hairbrush and hair ties and hair clips and things, and that is in the rose colored glass print. And in the bottle pocket I've just got the small set piece from Whimsical Watercolour, and here I have my phone charging bank, which is also rose gold. In the 2 mesh pockets which are technically at the front of the bag, I just switched the bag around. I have my small set piece with my mummy med kit stuff, a hand sanitizer, and the other one I just have a mini wipe pouch with just wipes, because I like to take wipes, just wipe my hands down, things like that. So that is all that's in my little Be Sassy, and I think this does make the perfect little mum bag, or a bag just for a work bag for going out. Personally, I think it works the best just as a handbag, but that's just my opinion. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Let me know down below how you like to use your Be Sassy, or if you've wanted to get one and how you'd want to use it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.